this video, we are going to talk and explain about the chemistry behind fireworks. It is believed that the first natural firecrackers were bamboo stalks that when thrown in a fire would explode with a bang because of the overheating of the hollow air pockets in the bamboo. Sometime during the period 600 to 900 AD, legend has it that a Chinese alchemist mixed potassium nitrate, sulfur, and charcoal to produce a black flaky powder. Instead, the mixture caught on fire to form the first gunpowder. This powder was poured into hollowed-out bamboo sticks and later stiff paper tubes, forming the first man-made fireworks. Unsurprisingly, it wasn't long before the military adopted gunpowder. By 1200, China had built the first rocket cannons, using gunpowder to aim and blast projectiles at their enemies. Off the battlefield, however, this technology led to something beautiful, the first aerial fireworks with variety of pattern. To make fireworks, we need to combine two ingredients which are oxidizer and fuel. The combination between these two will cause an exothermic redox reaction to happen. The oxidizer will be the oxidizing agent as it's oxygen-rich that will burn the mixture inside the firework and create colors. Common oxidizers include barium nitrate, potassium nitrate, potassium perchlorate, and strontium nitrate. Next, the fuel will be the reducing agent. It will burn the oxygen produced by the oxidizing agent to produce hot gases and then burst across the sky in colorful patterns. Common fuels include aluminium, charcoal, as well as sulfur. All these materials will be put together in aerial shells. First, the fast fuse will be ignited. Then, it will burn until it reaches the lift charge section that will explode, which help to eject the aerial shell as high as possible. At the same time, the time fuse is also being ignited by the explosion. The length of the timed fuse will influence the time taken for the aerial shell to explode. Eventually, the black powder inside the aerial shell will explode, thus creating the fireworks effects. The pattern of the explosion of the fireworks depends on the position of the star inside the aerial shell. Later, aerial shell will be put into mortar tube to become a complete firework.
Millennium Firework Display in London.
It was claimed that the emission from Millennium Firework Display in London is equal to 120 years of dioxin emission by waste incinerator, while studies show that the spot checking underestimates emissions by as much as 50 times. So in reality, the firework display would only equal to 2.4 years of dioxin emission, but still, 2.4 years of dioxin emission could really damage the earth.
Fireworks sparklers is safe.
This is sparklers. Many believe that sparklers are safe for everyone. However, this is not true as sparklers burn at 1800 degrees, which is enough to burn metal.
Fireworks can work in rain.
Yes, fireworks can actually work in the rain. You just need to make sure the fireworks don't get wet before you light the fuse.
Fireworks smoke are poisonous.
It becomes poisonous because it is packed with heavy metals like titanium, copper, strontium, and even lead to give the explosions their vibrant glow. When fireworks explode, toxins spread through the air and can be breathed in. In turn, these metals can potentially cause asthma attacks, cardiotoxic effects, and a variety of cancers.